Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Puraclenz Core C750 Air Purifier. I've looked through product listings, user feedback, and online discussions to figure out whether this purifier is actually worth buying or if it's one of those products that sounds more advanced than it really is. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. Right away, what makes the Puraclenz Core C750 different from most air purifiers is that it doesn't rely only on HEPA filtration. Along with a true H13 HEPA filter, carbon filtration, and UVC purification, it also uses something called photocatalytic oxidation or PCO technology. The idea behind this system is that it not only filters the air, but also releases ions designed to target pollutants on exposed surfaces and in harder-to-reach areas. According to the company, the system is designed to reduce mold spores, bacteria, allergens, smoke, odors, and even airborne viruses. In terms of coverage, this purifier is clearly aimed at larger spaces. The company claims purification coverage up to 3,000 square feet through the PCO system, while the HEPA filtration itself is rated for smaller, but still very large room coverage. That makes it attractive for open living rooms, basements, offices, or homes where air circulation and mold concerns are major issues. Another thing people seem to like is the smart automatic operation. The Core C750 includes sensors that monitor air quality and automatically adjust fan speeds, depending on the environment. Many users online describe the purifier as relatively quiet during normal use, especially in auto mode, which is important because large air purifiers can sometimes become annoying in bedrooms or shared spaces. Now, after going through customer reviews and Reddit discussions, the experience becomes much more mixed, and this is where you really need to understand what kind of product this is. Some users dealing with allergies, mold remediation, or dusty environments reported noticeable improvements in air freshness, reduced dust, and better breathing comfort. A few even described improved sleep and cleaner-smelling rooms after extended use. However, there are also significant criticisms that show up repeatedly in discussions online. Several Reddit users reported irritation from the ion-based PCO system, including throat discomfort, dizziness, or breathing irritation, while others questioned whether the technology actually made a measurable difference compared to traditional HEPA-only purifiers. Some users also complained that the purifier didn't noticeably reduce odors or mold-related smells in their environment. Another thing worth mentioning is long-term ownership cost. Replacement filters and recharge components for the PCO system are not cheap, and some users online criticize the replacement programs and customer service experience. So while the purifier itself looks premium and modern, you should absolutely factor maintenance cost into your decision before buying. The biggest thing I realized after looking through everything is that this purifier is really targeted toward people specifically concerned about mold, bacteria, odors, and whole room purification rather than just standard dust filtration. If you simply want a traditional HEPA purifier for everyday allergies and smoke, there are simpler and more established options that may offer better overall value and fewer concerns. So now the real question, should you buy it? My honest conclusion is this. The Puraclenz Core C750 is a very ambitious air purifier with a feature set that goes far beyond standard HEPA systems. The combination of HEPA, carbon filtration, UVC, and PCO technology makes it appealing for people dealing with mold concerns, large spaces, or advanced air purification needs. Some users genuinely seem to love it and feel it improve their environment significantly. But at the same time, this is also one of those products where user experiences vary a lot more than traditional air purifiers. The ion-based purification approach may not work equally well for everyone, and some people appear sensitive to it. That means this is not the kind of purifier I would recommend blindly without research. Overall, if you specifically want advanced air and surface purification technology for mold and large room air quality management, the Puraclenz Core C750 is definitely one of the more unique options available. But if you prefer a simple, predictable HEPA-only purifier with fewer variables and lower maintenance costs, you may want to consider more traditional alternatives instead.